Hi guys, good evening. Today we are going to cook chicken adobo. So I cook the onion, and then after that garlic and the ginger. Just like that. And then after that I separated the onions, garlic and the ginger, and put the chicken inside. That's the marinated chicken. I marinated the chicken for about 1 hour, and I did it with soy sauce, a little bit of vinegar, ginger and garlic inside, and then I just soak it for about an hour. Next, just flip the chickens, change at the other side for about 3 minutes or until it's brown. Remove the chickens and set it aside. Make asado sauce by putting back the onions, garlic and the ginger, and also with the marinated liquid. Put a cup of water in it. Add a tablespoon of liver spread and melt it inside to make the sauce sticky. I also added a little bit of sugar to add a taste. And put back the chickens inside and let it stand for about 20 minutes. And
New chicken recipe.
Chicken asado.
Chicken asado à la Jane. The Jane's kitchen chicken asado.
voila. This is the one finished product of my asadong chicken legs lollipop or adobo, parang ganun din. Let's eat. Bon appetit.